people out there.
Is this even recording? Yeah, it is. What is that? That's some chapstick?
No, I don't.
Oh.
I don't need chapstick.
Jerk.
My lips are plump.
Okay, mine aren't.
La 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 la.
Okay.
Pink.
Here we go. Let's make sure you're okay here. Okay.
It's a nice thing about a hat.
Don't look at the notes.
I'm gonna look at them.
Hey, it's the classy Cheapskate, and that's Matt. All right, we're gonna have a draw off. What is a draw off?
Tree draw.
What's the point of a draw off?
I don't know. You don't ask me.
Okay, so we're both gonna draw a dragon eyeball. Will the electrician draw better, or will the politician draw better? There's gonna be cheers for me and boos for you.
So I kept shaking my head no in the background.
Okay, and now for a few warnings. Now this part, there's gonna be warnings on the screen.
Warnings.
Do not attempt to draw with fog. Turn it on. It won't turn on, will it?
It won't even let us do it.
And if you do so at your own risk. It may or may not cause giddiness,
Strange speaking voices.
rolling on the floor laughing,
Vomiting.
Skin rashes.
Orange saliva.
orange saliva,
Saliva. Bleeding from your rectum.
bleeding from the nose,
Oh, the nose. Chronic diarrhea.
and or playing with creepy dolls.
Everyone get your pencils ready.
Welcome to the show.
What's this?
We got a doll, baby.
Hey, Matt, come here. Matt.
Yes. How are you doing?
Where's that pen?
I have a pencil in my hand.
Oh, nope, I need a pen.
Okay.
I want to tell people something.
Okay, well tell them. You know that's gonna take all my
That's a crappy pen.
lotion off. It's an art pen. What do you expect? Hi.
I can't.
I got a brush one in here.
Hello.
Hi.
We're gonna draw.
I'm sorry. She's got the giggles.
We're gonna draw like.
Let me clear that up for you. We are gonna draw dragon eyeballs.
Yeah. So like, where's the fog? I sound like a dork. Don't look at me. Look at them.
I'm looking at you.
God. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna tell you how we do it.
Like, yeah. Copycat.
Silence.
Silencio.
I'm gonna start with a line.
That's usually a good place to start, is a line.
Top of the eye.
My gosh! Earthquake! Earthquake!
Okay, guess what time it is?
It is smoke time! Yeah!
Yeah! Drawing dragon eyeballs is like a party. Oh my goodness, look! Whoa!
Got a hairy eyeball.
Yeah, someone said that we're boring.
Not anymore.
Right here, I'm gonna put. Ew! I'm gonna put a highlight.
A highlight?
Right?
Is it kind of like a reflection?
Yeah, but like I'm not gonna do what you did and draw an outline. I'm gonna just.
Why not?
Because that's amateur.
Amateur?
Actually, I just did it.
Oh, look, you're drawing an outline. Look at that. I'm gonna change pencils. Let me try
Look, I'm getting ahead while he's looking at stupid pencils.
There's so many numbers. Haha, I got the perfect one.
I'm getting sloppy.
Oh, that is very sloppy.
Oh. My eyeball's gonna be better.
Oh, I bet it won't.
Mm-hmm.
What the subscribers
And faster.
decide.
Here I go.
What does the subscribers decide? Who's better?
They'll pick me.
No, they won't. Sabotage! I tell you, it's sabotage! Oh no, that's still my pencil! No!
Look at that! You got that wrong.
I did not! What do you want? For me?
Yeah.
I can't see!
I can't see either.
I feel like the Ray Charles of drawing.
I can't see what I'm doing. So we should probably tell them what we're doing.
I'm drawing the pupil of the eye. I can't, because every time I open my mouth, I get a mouthful of fog. See what?
Oh, please. They're not going to vote for you if you don't share.
You steal my pencils! I'll take this one then. Thank you.
Oh, this one sucks.
Oh, now you want this one back. Jeez.
It does suck.
You copycat.
What was that?
What?
That pencil.
A 6B.
A 6B. It's a dark.
It's the darkest you can get.
Okay.
In mine. I feel like I'm smoking right now.
No, seriously, are you supposed to inhale this stuff?
I don't know. Take a vape.
Oh man, this isn't supposed to blow in our faces. Tell Charlie.
Who's Charlie? Is that the director? Charlie!
Charlie!
Hey, Charlie!
Oh, wait, he turned it off.
Oh, okay. Good job, Charlie. It's about time.
Oh my. Okay.
Okay.
Seriously, this is not normal. I'm calling the fog company. This is. Oh.
All right, now I'm doing the shading of the top eyelid thing. I'm gonna have
to press charges.
Against Charlie?
No.
Charlie, you did not hear that.
I didn't see anything in. Yeah.
See, I got the shading done on the top eyelid.
Do you see mine's looking better?
No, it's not, liar.
Do you want to know why?
Oh, wait, that's the outline you told me not to do because it's an amateur move? Is that what it is?
What the heck?
Don't draw mine! That's mine!
What the heck's that?
Ah, don't draw mine! Don't draw mine!
What is that?
Ah, leave it! It's called a reflection.
You're
man.
disgusting!
What's the most
Charlie! So, did you guys notice that you don't get much done when you're talking and drawing?
I do.
Like, I'm farther than him, though.
Oh, that mine looks so much better.
You know what the horrible part is? Is that Matt has asthma. Oh my god.
You fill my lungs with smoke.
Uh-oh. I'm glad you signed a waiver.
That wasn't a waiver. That's just so you people can see my beautiful hands.
He didn't sign a waiver. Turn off that fog. I gotta get some chapstick. Hold on.
My eyeball looks like poop.
No. Do you know what's wrong with his eyeball?
Get away from my eyeball. Your pupil's too wide, too narrow.
Matt.
All right, get away.
No, seriously. Can you be quiet for 1 second?
No.
Shh. What are those little wavy, jaggy lines?
If you look into an eyeball, there is no perfect lines in your pupil.
He is using style.
You don't have any style. Okay, you got a tie on a t-shirt. Stylish in the 80s.
I got it from the thrift store.
So it was probably stylish in the 80s. I wonder why you hold your pencil weird.
So you just noticed that I hold it like a cripple.
Let me see if I can draw like this. No, it doesn't work for me.
Did you know if you hold it like I am, that you draw better? Who thinks that I draw better? I can draw like this. Watch this.
You don't have a pencil in your hand. You can't draw like that.
Hold on. Watch this. Watch this.
My fingers don't bend like that.
My drawing's covered with fog juice.
Yep. Excuses.
Okay, so who wins the draw-off? Is it the electrician? Or is it the politician? Thanks for watching the Classy Cheapskate, and come draw with us again. Right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
You not gonna blow it up?
I don't know how to do that. Okay. Woo!
Okay, now that Matt's gone, let's do a little critique of these drawings. I have to say, when I was working, my hand covered up a lot of mine. While I was working, I was like, just covering it, and he was over here letting you see everything he did. He did really good with that part, you know, not covering up his work. But as you can see right here, I see an outline of some tape that happens to be on the back of his drawing. So be very careful where you're drawing, because you could end up doing a rubbing effect and see other shapes through your paper. Alright, so as you can see, this is very rounded. That's my drawing. And his is very wobbly. Now, do you think he was going for that on purpose? I don't know. But I think he didn't use his shoulder to draw the line. See, I'm using my shoulder. He rested his hand probably and just was like wavy. But if you pivot from your shoulder, you get a nice rounded effect. And by creating a rounded effect, the eyeball looks like it's staring you down like it wants to kill you. This dragon eye is just like, hey man. You know, it's like, it just doesn't have that killer look. Another thing that really helps is the contrast. Lots of darks, lots of lights, and in-betweens. I just think this jumps out more than that one, okay? These critiques are to help you do better, people, not to put people down, okay? We're always evolving and getting better. This eyeball has a lack of confidence, okay? You want to draw with confidence like you're the best artist in the world. You got to think that in your head. You know, it's not like being stuck on yourself, okay? You just got to build yourself up. This one's staring you down with a vengeance. All right, other than that, I think this electrician did an awesome job. Next time, I'm gonna get an eBay seller and we're gonna do a draw off. So stay tuned for more, people. Bye-bye.